promise Santa's coming to visit.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. I don't know if this is Vlogmas day 4, 5 or 6, but welcome to a new Vlogmas. So today is strictly work day. I'm currently on my way to a client's house to drop some frames. Well, not house per se, it's still an empty site, so I'm going to drop frames. My installer is already there. We're probably going to be the only people there, so they are going to install. I'll be there throughout the whole installation. That's basically what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. But yeah, come join me. So I bought this red top from Petite & Co. So cute. I wore it not too long. I think I wore it the day I was getting these nails done, but I never took a picture of it, so I decided to wear it again. So yeah, Petite & Co. The jeans are Zara, and my bag is from my brand Jumara, and it's sold on the website. So I'm going to put the website on the description box just in case you want to shop for this tote bag. It's actually very cute. You can use it to the gym, you can use it to go to work. Honestly, depends. Even the market, anywhere you want to go to, guys. And it's big enough to carry stuff. So yeah, I am ready. My installer is waiting for me, so let us go.
I bet you'll come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. I feel it in my bones like you'll come along now. Baby, you're coming through. Do what you gotta do. Take it to the big scene, take it on. Go for hope and glory. Go, go long. Baby, for love. Go all for love. We're going for love. For beating hearts off the charts. Love. Go all for love. We're going for love. Baby, going for love. Baby, for love. I bet you'll get it right, but don't get me wrong. Say what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say. Go like a satellite, just go like a star now. Say what you gotta say. Say what you gotta say. Take it to the big scene, take it all. Go for hope and glory. Go, go long. Baby, for love. Go on.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I would say welcome to a new vlog. But yesterday when I went to work, the video I honestly shot was so little. The clip was so little for me to make it a whole daily vlog. So I'm going to be adding to these activities to yesterday's videos. Yesterday, you guys know I went to work, but my installer could not finish because my client changed his mind on some of the paintings for the space, so we didn't do as much as we expected to do. However, we should be doing some today, but I'm not going to be going, at least for now. Like, I have work to get done in the house. Anyway, today is a new day. I have another of my installer downstairs waiting for me because he's going to be hanging some frames in the house. So I'm going to take you guys along, but I also wanted to show you guys a delivery that I got. I feel like by now you guys know I am a freak for nightwears, and I am such a K-Casa fan. This is actually from one of her collections, and this is the Christmas collection. I plan to actually use this one, wear this one when I am setting up my tree. I don't know whether to give it an unboxing. I don't know. So yeah, let's just get it done. So I actually bought 3, but I'm able to just get 1 right now till the other ones are ready. By the way, her packaging is great. It's Christmas, so she added a little razzle dazzle to her packaging, changed her bows to red, which is so pretty. So yeah, I honestly wish I can remember the name of this set, but this is the set. So pretty. This year I have my Christmas tree up, like I said, so this is what I plan to wear. This is what I plan to wear. So cute. That's basically it. I just wanted to show you guys what you know, I'm working with. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, how are you doing? I have been pretty busy and I haven't been filming, but not for so long. The last vlog, I think it ended where I showed you guys the frames I put up in the apartment, as well as the one on the dining. By the way, the one on the dining, I'm going to be changing them because it got messed up along the way. The first one they brought was too big for where it was supposed to go into. Then when it was sent to for adjustments, the guy actually did rubbish at the end of the day, so he spoiled it. So the frames are not aligned, they are not even straight. It's just a disaster. But yeah, I'll be changing the frames for the dining. But so far so good. The dining is looking good. I think I've found the chair I want for my dining, and I want to go with the color green like I've always wanted. While I was getting this place done, I thought I was going to try and play with colors, but I'm a neutral girl, true and true. But for the dining, I want to give it a pop of color, and that is going to be green. Anyway, that's basically it. I'm heading out to go do installations. This period during the holiday is always extremely busy, so we also do because of how busy it is, most of our deliveries go you know, get to my clients really late. The time is almost 6 o'clock. I was expecting the frames to be there by 3, but honestly speaking, I feel like at the end of the day my guy tried to meet up, because this particular job are prints, and usually it takes 3 to 4 days, but I was able to get this done in 1.5 days because it was just ordered 2 days ago. So honestly speaking, even though we did not make the 3 p.m. time for today, we did a very good job even meeting up today. Anyway, yeah, before I leave, I want to show you guys the unboxing of the day. It almost feels like in every vlog I have something to unbox, and that's simply because this Christmas, like, I'm trying to shop for a few things. However, today it's not something I bought. It was actually my first Christmas present, and it was given to me by Mama. Let me show you guys. I was already opening it up and I was like, oh my god, like, let me show you guys. So she got me these from Ashla. What am I saying? So yeah, she got me these from Outlash, these 2 things, and I'm so happy. She made me choose. I already know what is inside, but obviously I want to show you guys what it is. I have something from this brand. Do I? No, I don't. However, I have bought things for this brand for my friends. I've actually bought for Mama, and I've also bought for Ogochukwu, and I bought for Ijeoma. So they have this very popular cute purse that, you know, ooh, this is cute. So yes, this is the sandals she got for me. So cute, so cute. And she got me these bracelets in gold. I have to remove it properly. Hold up. So this is what the bracelet looks like. Very pretty. I don't know if it comes in sizes, but I'm hoping this one, okay, no, it should definitely fit, because all I just need to do is to lock it, like put it on the last lock, I guess. But yeah, so pretty. I can't wear it now, but I just wanted to show you guys because I need to rush. I need to leave the house. There's going to be a lot of traffic outside Lagos, but I have to go work right now. I have to go work. But yeah, that's basically the unboxing for this particular vlog. So let us go to work. Let's go to work, guys.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band. Oh, oh, give me an open fire, some eggnog and mistletoe, and the sense of wonder and someone to hold close. Oh, 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 give me some ribbons and a chimney for Santa's sake. No, it's not too late. No, it's not too late. Ooh.
Hey guys, how are you doing? So we were not able to install all the frames in because it was really getting late, guys. It was really getting late. So I got back home. This is actually the next day, guys. This is literally the next day. But tomorrow I'm going to be taking you guys, because that's when we are going to be finishing up. Yeah, the time currently is past 12, so I'm having a midnight snack. I've been eating this thing for 100 years now. This is literally one of my like best snack, but I'm honestly trying to avoid like, but it's so good because the potatoes, I actually like fried potatoes a lot, so I somehow fell in love with this one. Hold on, let me go wash my hand. I'm back. That's one of my biggest problems eating this. Like if I'm in bed having this snack, I have to stand up, go to the bathroom, wash my hand. So yeah, guys, don't ignore the way my hair is. So this is supposed to be in the front, but it's literally like the hair is still in good condition, but this is gone. So I'm going to remove it. I'll remove it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things that came into the mail today, that I bought for my Christmas tree. I really love all of them except one, and I don't know if they're going to take it back because I honestly don't really like it. But yeah, first things first, I got a Christmas calendar, season greetings. So this is beautiful. So you can use it all year round, but I feel like the only time I would be excited to use it is like for the month of December. So it comes with, blocks showing like the months, and we are in December, so this is how it's going to be there. And I saw these very cute ornaments. They are like mini stars, and I kind of felt like, you know, this is cute, like I can add it to my tree, you know. Then there's another one coming, you guys are going to see it. But yeah, I also bought this bowl because I plan on doing something with it. Let me show you guys the vision. So this is the vision. I am going to use this and wrap around this pillow to create like a bowl for the sitting room. So I'm going to do this with some of the pillows just to give that place a Christmas feel, instead of having to buy like a whole bunch of Christmas pillowcases. This is going to help me like create something really nice. I really hope it comes out well. I think it will. Yeah. Then I also bought these red bowls just in case for the tree. Either that, or I will still do the same thing with a pillow, so that there's going to be like a mix match, a thick one and a thin one. I don't know how it's going to look. I have a vision on my head. I saw something like that on IG, so I'm going to give it a try. This is also from the same store this came with. So this is like all those things you used to hang, like my stockings now, like the Christmas stocks I bought. This is what I'm going to use. Then the ones that is going to be in front of our entrance, this is also what we'll be using. So this is like a strong glue hook. It's called Traceless Product Strong Glue Hook. So I'll just put it and put my socks to hold it. Don't worry, I'll show you guys when it's time to decorate for Christmas. I should actually get into it. I think I'm going to do it on Sunday. Then this is the product that I said I did not like. So I was trying to get a star for my tree, and I saw this one, and I'm guessing like when she posted it, it looks really nice, but now that it has arrived, it's like looking so plastic and cheap, and I don't know how it's going to look on my tree. And then it's not battery operated, which I hate. So this is like supposed to go all the way down, and my tree is an 8'3". Yeah, my tree is like an 8'3". So what if this doesn't, what if this is not enough? I thought it was going to be battery operated, but it isn't. So I'm already like, I don't know, I really don't know. So I may not end up using it. I'll probably just buy like a you know, the one that doesn't necessarily need lights or any of that. But yeah, that's basically it for the unboxing. If more things come, of course I'm going to be unboxing it. Right now I am hungry, and while this could have helped, this is not something I want to eat, but I have leftover shawarma in the fridge, so I want to go downstairs and have it. So let's go.